You ever look up at the night sky and wonder why the moon seems to be playing a game of hide and seek? One night, it's hanging low in the east, and the next, it's perched high in the west. This celestial dance isn't just a trick of the eye, it's a fascinating interplay of cosmic forces. But what causes this seemingly erratic movement? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for our lunar neighbor. First, let's dive into the basics. The moon orbits the Earth in an elliptical path, which means its distance from us changes slightly over time. This orbit takes approximately 27 1/3 days to complete. However, the moon's position in the sky changes from night to night due to a combination of its orbit and the Earth's rotation. This is why you might notice it in a different spot at the same time each evening. But there's more to this story. The tilt of the Earth's axis and the moon's own orbital inclination add layers of complexity to its nightly journey. The moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees relative to the Earth's orbit around the sun. This tilt causes the moon to appear higher or lower in the sky over its monthly cycle, a phenomenon known as lunar declination. It's like the moon is dancing to its own rhythm, swaying up and down as it circles our planet. Ever heard of the term lunar standstill? This is another intriguing aspect of the moon's movement. Every 18.5 years, the moon reaches a point where its declination is at a maximum or minimum. During these periods, known as major and minor lunar standstills, the moon's path across the sky is at its most extreme. This results in the moon rising and setting at its furthest points north or south on the horizon. It's a slow, majestic waltz that has been observed and celebrated by ancient cultures for centuries. Now, let's sprinkle in a bit of modern astronomy. Recent studies have shown that the moon is gradually drifting away from the Earth at a rate of about 3.5 centimeters per year. This subtle shift is due to the gravitational interactions between the Earth and the moon, specifically the tidal forces that cause the Earth's rotation to slow down. Over millions of years, this will lead to longer days and a more distant moon, altering the way we perceive its movement in the sky. As we unravel the mystery of the moon's shifting positions, it's essential to appreciate the cultural and historical significance of this celestial body. From guiding ancient navigators across vast oceans to inspiring countless myths and legends, the moon's journey across the sky has captivated humanity for millennia. And with modern technology, we're now able to study its movements with unprecedented precision, unlocking secrets that were once beyond our reach. So, the next time you gaze up at the moon, remember that its journey is not just a simple orbit around our planet. It's a complex ballet influenced by gravitational forces, orbital mechanics, and the passage of time. By understanding the science behind its movements, we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of the night sky even more.